welcome to English Classroom. Yeah, we will meet again in English Classroom with me. We would like to study about reported speech. Maybe we would like to review our material the last meeting. Okay, look at here. And before we start our lesson, it will be better we take a prayer first. Yeah, for all students, we take a prayer first. Begin. Okay, finish. Ya, I hope you are fine. Ya, sehingga kita bisa belajar seperti biasa pada hari ini. Semoga selalu sehat dan bisa menerima pelajaran dengan baik. Okay, the last meeting we have study about reported speech ya, yang seperti saya sampaikan kemarin, reported speech adalah kalimat langsung dan tidak langsung ya, terdiri dari kalimat langsung dan tidak langsung. Terus and then the last meeting ya, I said to you for the reported speech, how do you change? Itu di sini intinya apa yang harus kalian ubah? Bagaimana kamu merubahnya? Merubah subject, tenses, time, place. Ya, Yusuf told I go to your house this afternoon. Yusuf told that he went to my house that afternoon. Ya. You have to choose subject, tenses, time, and place. Okay, next. We go to the task. Yeah, actually, now we are going to correct your work. The last meeting. Mungkin yang kemarin kalian sudah, share the presentation. Maybe the last meeting you have to study about a reported speech, and then you have to change direct speech to indirect speech. Ya, di sini sudah saya share di Google Classroom. Kalian harus isi ini sebelumnya. Sekarang kita akan bahas mengenai direct indirect speech. Okay, I'm going out now, but I will be in by 9. Ya, he said that he was going out today, but he would be in by 9. Ya, jadi di sini harus ada yang kita ubah. Ya, he said that I berubah jadi he, am berubah jadi was going out today. Terus, this is that day. And but he berubah ya, I change to he, and would be by 9 ya. Sekarang kita ubah number 2. The sentence number 2, I can live on my basic salary, said Peter. I will have to do overtime. Okay, you can open your speaker. Sekarang saya mau tanya sama Wahid. Ayo Wahid, silakan dijawab pertanyaannya.
Yang nomor 2, Miss.
Nomor 2, silakan diubah nomor 2, Wahid.
Peter said he can live on his basic salary.
Wait.
He will have to offer.
Peter said
he can.
Ya, that ya, pakai that ya kita. He can berubah nggak kan?
He can.
Can harus berubah jadi lampau jadinya. Couldn't, ya.
Could. Oh, could.
Ya, couldn't
Live on his basic salary.
His basic salary. Terus, and then?
He will.
Ya. Will-nya berubah nggak will-nya? Berubah dalam bentuk lampau harusnya. Jadinya would, ya.
Would.
Ya, would have to
do overtime.
Offer to do overtime. Sorry. Overtime. Yeah, okay, good. Very good, Wahid. Next, number 2, Sulis. Okay, Sulis, change the sentence number 2.
The children said.
Yeah, wait. The children said.
Yeah.
And then?
That.
Yeah, children.
They. That.
Yeah,
They are waiting for the school bus.
Ya, are-nya ini berubah nggak are-nya? Kan kita harus balik ke bentuk lampaunya, jadi diubah ya, harus diubah jadi were waiting
for the school
bus. And then
it's late again. It is late again.
Is-nya berubah jadi was, ya, dalam waktu it was late again. Ya, oke, good job Sulis, thank you. Ya, karena kalian cuma berdua, jadinya di sini kita ganti-gantian aja ya. Number 4, Wahid, number 4. Number 4, Wahid.
Ya, Miss.
Ya, ayo Wahid, number 4 Wahid. Number 4,
Tom said.
Ya, Tom said.
The ice. Would soon.
Ya, would soon.
Be hard. Enough.
Ya, enough ya, enough to.
Enough to skate
on. Ya, oke, very good. Next, back to Sulis. Oke, Sulis.
And said. She would.
Yes, she would.
Look for.
My-nya berubah jadi
she.
Jadi her ya, her
skate.
Ya,
when her get home.
When she, balik lagi ke she got home ya, because got home because is it the last ya, the last sentence. Yeah. Okay, very good Sulis, thank you. Next, back to Wahid again. Wahid, ini kalimat apa ya? This is imperative sentence ya. Ayo, imperative sentence. Okay, next.
Lucy said.
Ya, Lucy said.
don't.
Kalau don't di sini, this is the negative imperative. Jadi harusnya berubah jadi apa kalau don't? Ayo, we bake our material in the chain of imperative, command, warning, and request. Look at here. Ya, look at here. Don't shoot, I said to Jim. I told Jim not to shoot. Ya, jadi don't change not to. Ya, di sini karena dia kalimat prohibition ya, larangan, dia jadi harus berubah jadi not to. Lucy said ya, not to.
Not to. Land.
Ya, land.
Harry. Any money.
Any money, and then
Because
he
never
never paid. Yeah, paid change the last sentence. Paid.
is debit.
Yeah, he's dead. Yeah, okay. Good. Next. Ya, kalau tadi negative imperative, sekarang yang positive imperative. Tuh, langsung get into the right lane. Katanya, said the driving instructor. Sulis? Okay, can you answer number 7?
The driver instructor said.
Yes, the driver instructor said
get into the right lane.
Masih pakai to get ya. Kalau di atas no to, di sini langsung to get into
the right
the right lane.
And
Ya, okay. Next. Wahid, back to Wahid. Look at here. This is the WH question. Ayo, WH question. He
asked.
Ya, he asked.
Who has?
Wait. He asked. Ya, who had
Been using.
ya been using
He
his typewriter. Ya, typewriter. Oke, very good. Ya, dia langsung jadinya he asked who had been using his typewriter gitu. Jadi dia bertanya siapa yang minjam atau yang sudah menggunakan mesin tiknya tadi gitu. Next, number 9. Oke, back to Sulis. Number 9.
they asked.
Ya, they asked.
What?
Ayo, ini WH question ya. Back to the material WH question. Oke, look at, yes no question. Yang tadi yang Wahid jawab itu WH question ya, karena menggunakan who. Kan sekarang Sulis jawab yes no question. Yes no question we introduce conjunction if or whether. Jadi kalau misalnya yes no question itu harus ditambahkan kata hubung if atau whether. Ya, look at here. Sulis ask me, do you have sister? Jadi Sulis ask me if I had sister. Jadi ini kalimat tanya yang sudah diubah menjadi statement. Ya, back to the question. Ayo kita kembali ke pertanyaannya tadi. He asked me. Ya, kita pakai if aja ya. If you-nya pindah ke depan. Jadi apa you-nya? Berubah nggak? Berubah jadi I, karena kan mereka bilang pada saya gitu kan. If I gitu.
I like
Iya, if I
like to come with us.
ya, I would like to
I would
come
to come with us. With
asnya
us.
asnya berubah jadi them. Ya, they ask me if I would like to come with them.
Them.
Ya, di day ya. Mereka nanya, katanya mereka nanya sama saya, apakah saya suka datang dengan mereka gitu, akan datang dengan mereka gitu ya, jadinya kalimatnya. Oke, very good, thank you for Sulis and Wahid ya. Next. Sekarang kita ke task 2. Oke, task 2. Now choose one to complete each sentence below. Use the reported speech. Ya, di sini kalian tinggal pilih nih the following sentence, the direct speech. Don't worry you, or don't wait for me if I'm late. Will you marry me? Please slow down. Ya, di sini kita ubah jadi kalimat yang atas ini direct speech, we change to indirect speech or reported speech. Who want to answer number 1? Siapa yang mau jawab nomor 1? Wahid, ayo mau mulai Wahid. Sarah was driving too fast, so I asked. Yang tepat yang mana?
So I ask, please slow down.
Ya, please slow down ya, karena di sini diubah jadi reported speech, jadi slow down-nya diubah ask me to slow down.
Slow down.
Ya, jadi harus diubah menjadi kalimat tidak langsung ya. Di sini kan slow down, jadi kita harus tambahkan to di sininya ya. Jangan lupa ya Wahid ya. Oke, next Sulis. Number 2 Sulis. Oke, Sulis. I didn't want to delay and blah blah blah, so I told.
Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me.
Ya, jadi kita ubah menjadi kalimat tidak langsungnya gimana? Kalau don't tadi diubahnya jadi apa?
Apa ya?
Jadi apa? Not
To.
Not to.
Not.
Iya, not to wait.
Not to wait for me.
For me.
If I'm late.
Ya, if I'm
Late.
Ya, benar nggak nih? Coba kita lihat lagi di sini ya. I didn't want to delay and ya, dia sudah, ini lampau nih. Saya tidak ingin terlambat lagi an, katanya. Jadi saya bilang pada Kak, I told you gitu. I told and ya, di sini kita tambahin ya. I told and not to wait for. Saya bilang sama An, jangan menunggu saya, kata dia. Jangan menunggu saya jika saya terlambat. Di sini kita ganti was. Ya, karena lampau gitu. Next. Ya, jadi I didn't want to delay and saya tidak ingin terlambat an gitu ya, an terlambat. Jadi saya bilang sama An, jangan menunggu saya jika saya telat. Oke, next. Siapa namanya? Wahid?
So will you marry me?
Ya.
Will-nya
Berubah?
diganti.
Diganti.
Apa tadi tuh di situ?
Kan ini pertanyaan ya. Will you marry me? Jadi diganti kalau pertanyaan. Jadi harus tambah conjunction. If.
It.
Ya.
Oh, if. If will you?
Ini tadi apa sih? Ya, if John was in love with Mary, so he asked if
he
you-nya diganti jadi apa? Kalau misalnya
I.
will you marry me? I. Di sini kan yang bilang kan John was in love with Mary. John itu cinta sama Mary. Jadi dia bilang sama si ini kan. Jadi he asked if he kan if si marry
me.
She will marry her. Marry her karena kok salah sih? Marry him. Ya, jadi kata-katanya gini loh. Kalau bisa dalam bahasa Indonesia John itu cinta sama Mary. Jadi dia bilang atau dia bertanya loh sama Mary, apakah dia akan mencintainya gitu, akan menikah dengannya gitu. Ya. Oke, Wahid?
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Next. The last question. Mungkin di sini emang agak membingungkan ya.
Ya, Miss.
Agak membingungkan, tapi nanti belajar pelan-pelan. Tapi kalian sudah mulai bisa tuh. Nanti kalau misalnya ada temennya bertanya, tolong dibantu ya. Yang temennya tidak masuk room. Ya. Sekarang ayo sulis. She was very pessimistic about the situation. Itu?
Not
worry. Langsung ya, not to worry Shu. Gitu.
Not to worry Shu.
Ya, atau Shu-nya itu nggak usah dipakai jadi not to worry. Oke, very good. Ya, udah bisa jadinya di sini. Oke, next. The last task. Task 3, complete the sentence with say or tell. Ya, kita bilang di sini apa nih? And, say or tell. Enakan and say goodbye or and tell goodbye?
And say goodbye.
Yeah, good. Say goodbye. Ya. Don't say goodbye to me and leave. Next. Kalau ini bla bla bla, ask about your holiday. Did you have a nice time?
Tell.
Yes, good. Tell ya. Kita pakai tell us gitu. Ceritakan sama saya tentang liburan kamu. Tell us. Very good. J.
Say.
Jake say me.
Jake say me. Are you sure?
Tell.
Tell ya, lebih enak pakainya tell di sini. Jake tell me gitu. Pernah dengar say me nggak?
Enggak.
Enggak ya, biasanya say goodbye, say everything gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya ada me-nya itu pakainya tell ya. Jake tell me, Jake itu cerita sama saya bahwa dia fit up, kehilangan pekerjaannya ya. Next.
Say.
Ya, don't say. Okay, good. Don't say.
Don't say anybody what
Tell.
Don't say anybody what I
Tell.
tell. I tell or I say.
I say.
Don't say anybody what I
Say it's.
ya masih bingung nih. Benar, tell yang benar ya. I tell, it is, ya saya mengatakan ini gitu. Next, George couldn't help me. He
Tell me.
ya,
Tell
he
me.
tell me. He tell me. Terus next, number 6. George couldn't help me.
Say.
Yeah,
Say.
he say to ask Kate. Okay, very good. Next, number 7. I wonder where she is. She blah blah blah. She would be there at 8 o'clock.
Say.
Tell.
Tell or say? Yang benar tell ya. She tell gitu. Dia bilang, dia tuh cerita gitu. She tells pakai S ya. Ini juga sorry, ini harusnya pakai S karena dia subjeknya tunggal. Any says ya. And says goodbye. Terus Jack tells, don't say I tell karena subjeknya dia tunggal, the singular, dia harus pakai S. He says, I wonder, she tells, she would be there. Ya, dia tell. The last sentence, the doctor
Say.
Say atau tell?
Tell.
No, tell. The doctor tell. The doctor.
Ya. Say atau tell? Say ya, lebih ke say dia di sini. Sekarang kita back to our material about tell and say. Kita lihat di sini. Ya, the last meeting I have to tell you about what's different say and tell. Ya, if you say who you are talking to, use tell. Ya, jika kamu bilang siapa yang kamu ingin berbicara dengan siapa itu gunakan tell. Sonia told me atau told me that you were ill. Sonia itu bilang sama saya bahwa kamu itu sakit gitu. Jadi kalau bisa ada kata sayanya gitu kan udah tahu itu tujuannya kamu bicara dengan siapa, berarti Sonia told me. Ya. Next, what did you tell the police? Bukan what did you say the police, tapi what did you tell the police? Gitu. Jadi dia mau bilang sama siapa? Bilangnya sama si polis itu gitu. Jadi kalau sudah ada tujuannya kamu mau bicara dengan siapa, kamu bilangnya pakainya tell, not say. Next, otherwise you say. Sonia said that you were ill. Nih, kenapa Miss ini kok nggak pakai tell? Karena dia tidak ada kata dia mau bicara dengan siapa gitu. Kalau misalnya yang atas ini kan Sonia told me, ada kata me-nya ya. Jadi dia menggunakan told. Kalau di sini dia langsung Sonia said that you were ill. Jadi langsung kamu bisa menggunakan say. Ya, what did you say? Gitu. Kalau misalnya kamu bilang apa yang ingin kamu ceritakan pada polisi, kamu bilangnya what did you tell the police. Tapi kalau kamu cuma bilang apa yang kamu bilang gitu aja atau yang kamu katakan, kamu bisa bilangnya hanya what did you say. Ya, di sini. Next, but you can say something to somebody and say goodbye, sama yang kayak tadi ya. ada pertanyaannya. And say goodbye to me and left. Or what did you say to the police? Ya, jadi harus ada say something to somebody. Mengatakan apa pada polisi, misalnya bisa juga Anna, did you say something to the police? Ya, harus seperti itu. Sekarang coba back to the task 3. Kita cek lagi nih pertanyaan jawaban kalian. Number 1, and says goodbye to me and left. Ya, benar. Tadi benar ya? Say goodbye. Jadi dia say something. Terus tell us about your holiday. Ya, pakai tell us karena dia sudah jelas mau mengatakan kepada siapa. Jack tells me. Ya, sudah jelas Jack itu mau mengatakan pada siapa. Don't say anybody. What I tell, it is a secret just between us. Don't say anybody. Do you know what is it say? Apakah benar ini kita menggunakan say? Ayo cek. Karena di sini ada tujuannya anybody, jadi kita menggunakan tell. Don't tell anybody, jangan ceritakan sama semuanya. What I say. Ya, yang tadi sudah benar. Siapa tadi? Wahid ya. Wahid sudah benar bilang say. Don't tell, kita terbalik di sini. Don't tell anybody what I say, it is a secret that's between us. Jadi jangan ceritakan sama siapa-siapa bahwa saya bilang, ya ini bahwa saya bilang ini adalah rahasia antara kita, katanya gitu. Next, number 5, George couldn't help me. He tell me, ya karena ada tujuannya me-nya ini, jadi pakainya tells. Number 6, George couldn't help me. He says, ya tidak ada tujuannya, jadinya langsung he say to us. Itu. Next, I wonder where Hugh is. She tell. Tujuan siapa? Dia ingin menceritakan apa gitu. She tell the would be there. And the doctor say that I should, karena tidak ada tujuannya ya, jadinya dia langsung menggunakan say. Kalau yang ini say or tell nih. Number 7, I wonder where Sue is. Saya khawatir di mana Sue. She tell, dia bilang dia tidak akan ada di sana jam 8. Ya, jadi dia karena tidak ada tujuannya mengatakan pada siapa, di sini kita bilang say. Ya, sorry ya, she says she would be there at 8 o'clock. Tuh, oke? Understand what I tell? Do you understand what I say?
Understand, Miss.
Iya. Ya, semoga bisa membedakan ini ya antara say and tell. And then you change direct speech into the direct speech. Ya, okay. Thank you for your attention. Maybe this is our material today. Yeah, we review our presentation the last meeting talking about direct speech and direct speech. Thank you for your attention and participation. Ya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Jangan.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.